Hey tech enthusiasts, Mark A. Brownlee here. Today we're diving into a topic that's both exciting and a bit daunting: the future of work. Specifically, let's talk about 5 jobs that AI is on track to make obsolete in the near future. Stick around to find out if your job made the list. First up, data entry clerks. AI-powered tools are taking over repetitive data entry tasks. They're faster, more accurate, and they don't need coffee breaks. Imagine a world where mundane tasks are handled by machines, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. This shift is already happening, and it's only going to accelerate. So, if you're in data entry, now might be a good time to start looking at new opportunities. Consider roles that require critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity, skills that AI can't easily replicate. Upskilling in areas like data analysis or project management could be a smart move. Next, telemarketers. AI chatbots and voice assistants are revolutionizing customer service. They can handle multiple calls at once, never get tired, and can provide consistent service. This means fewer jobs for human telemarketers, but a better customer experience. Companies are increasingly relying on AI to manage customer interactions, from answering queries to processing orders. If you're in telemarketing, it might be time to pivot. Look into roles that involve managing AI systems or developing customer engagement strategies. These positions will likely see growth as companies continue to integrate AI into their operations. Moving on, cashiers. Have you noticed more self-checkout machines in stores? That's AI at work, making shopping faster and more convenient. While it's great for us as shoppers, it does mean fewer cashier jobs in the future. Retailers are investing heavily in automation to streamline operations and reduce costs. If you're a cashier, consider exploring opportunities in customer service or inventory management. These roles are less likely to be automated and can offer a more stable career path. Then we have proofreaders. Tools like Grammarly are getting really good at spotting errors and suggesting corrections. They're quick, efficient, and always improving. Traditional proofreading roles are on the decline as a result. However, the demand for high-quality content is still strong. If you're a proofreader, think about expanding your skill set to include content creation or editing. These roles require a human touch and are less likely to be fully automated. Finally, travel agents. AI-driven platforms are making it easier than ever to book trips, find the best deals, and plan vacations. While it's convenient for travelers, it's another job that's becoming less essential because of AI. The travel industry is rapidly evolving, with more people turning to online platforms for their travel needs. If you're a travel agent, consider specializing in niche markets or offering personalized travel experiences. These areas still require human expertise and can set you apart from automated services. All right, so what does this mean for us? The key is to adapt and upskill. As these jobs evolve, new opportunities will emerge. Embrace the change, learn new skills, and get ready for the future of work. The landscape of employment is shifting, but with the right mindset and preparation, you can navigate these changes successfully. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. See you in the next